If mama they maltreat me, papa they maltreat me. If I call the person where my ex, if I call and say, see oh, if mama go say, I live in Pikin for Benin, make it the find it daily bread, this and that. But you know they bring anything for me for village where beside day. I go suffer for there if I born finish come to Benin. We go start again. Now so you go they beat me, I go get belly like this. He get one certain time. This is my last baby when I get for him. He beat me for 5 months. He beat me from Benin. Boss carry me to Onitsha. You know, collect money from me. I from Benin cry, go Onitsha. My mother treats me because of internal bleeding. Understand? Okay, for all these children when I born for this my ex. Till today, he never buy. If he slippers, they say slippers 10 he never buy for these children. These children they go school. He never put them for school for life. Now so I dey here, so now they carry them along. Okay, when I come carry all these children come back from my side, Newi. It's when my sister, I give my sister money when I dey here, things don't dey better for me now. I call my senior sister, say abeg, I want you to go Ebonyi State, go check these children for me. Understand? So my sister can't go there. He said my son Joshua, he died.
Bye.
Hey, sorry.
It's okay,
Bye.
it's okay. I just remind you.
Understand? Bye. I cry finish. I say, how come? They even tell my sister me say the small one, marvelous. He say if I no do something, he say before tomorrow that one go still die because no blood for that one body. And their papa dey there. Oh. Say that one go still by. And their papa dey there. They look them nothing, no they do anything. No better medicine, no better hospital because now inside Abakaleke. Understand? So I can't do plan. Carry the man, but before the man agree say he go carry the children come out from with my own side. He say I go start the business for I go do this. I agree because na children na first. Now maybe
he say you go start business for him.
Yes, I wish I do.
Before you go carry the children come out for him.
Yes.
Wait, hold on, take them easy. Which city for Abakaleke? I mean, which village for Abakaleke? Because I get somebody for them. Let me put the house.
And Oboma Okosha.
Wait, my right hand down.
Oboma
can you spell it?
Oh, I cannot spell it. So if I want to start children.
Wait. You say Oboma Okosha or just Oboma?
Okosha.
Okay, Oboma Okofia.
Okosha, yes. In Ebonyi State.
Oboma
Okosha.
Otofia.
Okosha.
Oboma Okofia.
Yes,
okay.
yes.
All right.
Understand?
Okay.
So
yeah, Zena, thank you.
Because now, this January, I be arranged to go arrest him or to carry and go court. Make you come out they take care of these children because I don't try do now so they can and they where these children they so now me they feed them. I go every month they give month because I don't marry. I marry my present husband now. I marry, I still pay my bride price. Understand? This my husband, I pay my dear now from this thing Urobo. Now Urobo man I marry now. Understand? This one, no, they give me headache. You know, they not just they give me headache. But that one make it come out, they take care of the children. He just leave children for me. He leave children for me and they take care of them.
Thank you for the gift.
Cloth now. Where the you know how many children since when I carry okay, let me start from the business.
Thank you.
Let me start from the business.
So wow. Thank you.
Let me start from the business when I do my finish that side. You know, say this man come out. I rent house
wow,
for
wait, hold on. Make I appreciate this woman where they bath me with gifts because it's not easy.
Okay.
Your name, is it Haria? Yeah. Thank you so much for the gift. God bless you. I appreciate. See how especially they pour me gifts.
Haria, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank
God bless you.
Yeah,
God bless you. Thanks for your support.
Okay.
Thank you for your support. I appreciate. Go on.
Okay, before I carry this man come out, I first send money. Now me they send money for transport for Ramo. He said I go send money. Okay, before he come out for village because of those children, I sent first money. Ibrahim said that was Easter time. He said in Christmas, say everywhere they busy now. Say you no go carry the children. I said okay, no, fine. After the Easter, I still send them another money. Again, when he take come out, he say he no get a sandal. I still buy sandal for him. I dey do everything to make sure say he carry this children come out for my own side, because my own side even open eye than the place where the guy from come. And as he come out, he come dey request for business whether he go sit down like this. I go rent house for this guy. I rent house for my ex. As I rent house for him, both form he dey request for everything. Both form carpet, everything when he take for fan when he take there for the house. I do everything. Okay, he can't talk about business. I can't say he want they go the key go to or make them there 2 or 3 they kick out for market. He say no, he say he don't want to do anything when they freeze. He say he want to sell rice at the beast. I give him money, even the money when he take learn how to do the business. He go learn because he first go learn how to do the business. I pay. After I pay finish,
Auntie, wait, no verse. What you they explain the thing? It they confusing to me. I don't know whether I mean no they hear you well or now you they mix the whole thing up. Because according to you, say you are not there again.
we not
So
there again.
what was the reason why you brought him to the city, opening business for him and giving him money?
Because
I want
of
to try
my
to clarify
children.
those places.
Because of my children, because they are dying.
Okay, wait, hold on. These
They are dying. They are dying.
wait, hold on. Insist your children say you no go fit get access to your children or what?
Yes, he sees them. Say I know because before I come this Europe, I go to see my children. If they call me and show he use knife. He say he go use knife cut me. He say any day when he go see me across the children, say he go kill me. He go buy me. Understand? Then I go. That is the last I see me until hear from me in this Europe again.
Okay, that means now when you come, after you don't come Europe now, you want to send the man money, make the man they work so that make it for free they take care of your children. Since you don't buy for inside.
Shut
I
up.
first tell my sister.
Not be only me they confused.
wait.
A lot of people they confused, even for other the comment section.
Rose, wait. With my understanding, Wetin Rose they try tell you. She say as she reach abroad, things don't they better for her. Then she can't reach her sister to go the village of the man.
Yes.
Come bring her children from the man hand. So the man is now giving a condition. Before I give you these children, you go open so business for me. Otherwise, forget about the children. You understand?
Okay.
And the reason why she agree, because one already buy, the man tell her say one already buy from the children. So she
not hungry, now hungry, now
hungry, yes. According to her, say the sister even tell her say, if you see the small one, if we not do something fast, you fit still lose that one, no. So those things come make her they agree to the man request so that the man go carry those children come up from that village.
Come from Unewi, yes. Make it.
You understand where she go get access
yes. Oh, God bless you.
Understand?
Yes.
So that is why she was doing those things where the man they ask her. Not be say she they do out of say na love. Out of say don't make her. You want to elevate the man. No, she's doing it so that it's like she's using what she have to get what she need from that guy. And the guy also was using. Yeah, and the guy also was using
the children
to get
okay.
Now I believe it's clear for everybody. Yeah,
even for comment section, people they talk say they confused. Because even me myself, they confused because I don't know why man when you know they see they send her money. Now the whole thing.
Because of my children. Now because of my children.
Yes. Okay, go ahead from there.
Okay, you know say that business. You know say that this.
Hold on. Lovely, hold on, please. Before you continue, First of all, I don't know whether you share this story for people to learn or you're sharing this story because you need advice. Because some other people they always say they want to share their experience. You get one girl with the up, she says she wants to share her experience. Make I know how long where your own go take. And my daughter also it go so come back from school.
I go cut and
tomorrow. Yeah, because tomorrow I will still come back because you get one woman now will be say side chick they threaten from Nigeria. The side chick get belly. Husband go Nigeria for November. He give woman belly for that side. He don't run come back for Europe. Now he abandon the girl for Nigeria. You understand? So I'll still treat that one tomorrow so that other people maybe they still can share their distance. So I'm just trying to understand whether you are saying your story because you want us to advise or you want to use it to advise other women. So that I'll know how I want to program myself. That's why I'm asking.
Oh, John, if to advise and for you people to still tell me what to do because those children, yes, those children now understand. I'm not be as a woman where they Europe now they give birth for child. You know go work. Nothing. Now this is my ex. Now they do everything. Make my husband no go the verse say if they take it. Although my husband no go because now Jehovah Witness. Understand? But you know say my thinking now. Make my husband I no get to another place to go. Make my husband no go. You know one day now maybe if he tire because where the children there now.
Yeah, I understand. Okay, what will be the problem now? What will be the main problem now? This man now they send money give the money where they send they give her. In the use now they take care of your children for Nigeria. Be you know they take care of them.
Nobody, I don't. This one I go make her 3 places now where my children don't stay with. They go use me open shop, do better thing, but my children they still be like mad people. Understand? Okay, because this house when I rent for their this my ex now, I be rent this house make it use and they take care of the children and this and the business when I open. This man sell everything, still won't go back to Ebonyi State. He sell everything, carry all the property, go Ebonyi State. Understand? The children now, they my own side now. They go stay this place. They go come out. They go stay this place. They go come out. And anywhere where they come out, I go build many things for them. See now, they don't call me.
Rose, have you ever involved the authority before? You don't go police station. You don't use army. Which one apart from sending money, opening shop?
Yes, I call a woman right one certain time. They send them the message and you know come. But now I say I won't go court. But my husband say man, make me leave. I say person when I go report for woman rights, you know come. What of if I go put her for court, make it come out, he go come. So I they confused.
Okay.
A soldier, if na police, you can't follow one because this is your children. I cannot even fathom. I cannot wrap my head around losing 2 children. I feel go
wow.
gaga. You
Now
understand?
my 2 children I lose. Chinasa and the man. The only girl when I get
Oh my
for my
God.
Joshua. And since
No.
Since that year, till now, I never reach
my sister.
Nigeria. I never reach Nigeria.
How long you don't they try now? Wait, not work. I bet get why we want see what you will fit do for you. How long?
For me and my ex, all for the children.
No, wait, don't they try to get those children?
She never finished the story. May she finish and before we start to ask her question.
Okay.
No, the children now.
So that we will understand well.
The children now. They my own side for Nnewi. Understand? But they are not living fine. They know they live fine.
Okay, the children they are no longer living with their father.
No, they are not. I tell you, say that time now, their papa carry them come out and he call request say I go open business for him. And I make sure say I open the business. This man no reach 2 months. This man sell everything. Still carry all the kaya when I buy for the house when I rent. Still go back for Ebonyi State. He won't come carry
Okay, wait. Who the children they with now? Who?
I just dey find person wey go take care of them. Go tell me say my carry and come. That is it be like say I dey buy people. I go dey see they feed the people. I go see they.
Where your family
relatives?
You know that
family members.
I don't get.
Exactly.
I don't get.
No, cry, please. Don't cry,
Don't
please.
cry. They will drop you. No cry.
They will drop your bag. No cry.
They frustrate my life.
Calm down. I know if you know say you the right pieces, they no verse because a lot of people they write me. No verse. See, calm down. You understand?
See bag of cloth when I buy for years. See, I know that's I go take from here, Germany here, carry and go this thing. Eat here.
It's okay.
I go buy cloth this month. Next month they go say no cloth. My husband, we know how much we they spend for everything, both food, everything.
Kai.
Okay, make their father come out. I wish their father for the house when I rent for him. They carry the children near body. They take care of them. They go school and because they don't do.
My sister, that man just forget. Just leave that one.
Meme, Meme, hold on, please. Hold on, please.
Okay.
I want to try understand how I'll fit to help her. Okay. Okay. Now you'll be like, someone say, what do you want now? You then look for who want help you take care of your children, right?
Yeah.
Is that what you're looking for?
Or if I go carry the man go court.
Hold on. You're looking for somebody to help you take care of your children, right? Like where your children would they stay, who they would they
Yes.
stay with.
Yes.
Okay.
And
This place where they did now.
This person they did now,
Go.
this November, the senior one now, Raphael, my husband write agreement for her. He say they do well, they no one go school again. Now the small one, that time that one when I tell you say he nearly died that time. That one only that one agree say they go school. The other one they write agreement for her.
How old are these kids? The two where
And let me be one even ask now. How many years?
The other the senior one for instance they 14 years. While the other one, the small one, they 11 years.
This is small. Children will go fit stay on their own.
They feel
Okay.
I don't find house for them, make they stay alone. They no fit stay. They no fit
stay alone.
They're not fit. That one no be option. They're not fit. My sister, wait. You see, first thing, Chantal, not verse. I was a bit emotional. Me, I don't cry tire for you. My sister, wait. First thing where me want beg you. You see that their papa. Thank God say the children not dey in hand again.
Yeah.
Because he himself not love the children. Where he dey in hand, he dey use and do yahoo for your hand, right?
Yeah.
Just first comot that one for your mind. Say whether you want carry and go call, you know, it don't pass. Now, wetin you want do now? You say that they nowhere abi I don't know where you say the children dey.
And I'm
My question: who these children dey with now? Your family members they dey with now?
Yes.
Abi na friend? Abi na just random person? Now I see they extort money from
now,
you.
now my mother senior those people mother. Now my mother be senior for those people mother. Understand? You know, say get family when you go be as the children there for that kind of place. I know
then you
every
your
time when I
auntie.
do something, understand.
Like
But
your
for here,
auntie.
now it can't be like saying I mean by force. I go, they know without me. Even children say sick for here, they go call me
Okay,
for
I
here.
beg. It's okay. You say you don't first stay Benin before. Now then you meet
For
their papa. Now they una meet.
five junction,
So,
5 junction.
Shanta, we don't have to let anybody know the next step from here because even the auntie, the cousin, the people, we don't know who is online. Okay? I think this woman, you need to write her, Shanta. Follow her. Then write her. Send your number to Shanta.
Yeah.
We have to do something as soon as possible. How the children take command there? You go see pet where those
Okay,
children go
wait.
stay with.
May I ask her one question? For this Europe where you dey, so you dey work?
I know they work.
How many children you get for Europe here?
Now 2 boys, 1 girl.
Which is 3 children.
Yes.
Your husband dey work?
If they do a house building. But
House
na
building.
house building now they do. It be like people where see they learn, but in a 3 years course. And now this year now you go this year June. Now you supposed to finish. Now you go supposed to finish.
Okay. So the house one I did now get the house. I've been a government house.
Now government. So things no
Okay.
things no just there. I know what made my
Hold
husband
on, calm down. Calm down. Wait, calm down. Now, if your husband finish this work, abi this thing when he dey learn, he go start to dey work normally now, abi?
Yes.
Do you have document?
Yes, I have document. My document I no fit use and reach Nigeria now because all my plan is that
No. I just dey answer the question when I dey ask you. Do you have document?
Yeah, I have.
The document will you get, you go let you take work.
Yes, I feel work, but because of my children, I know what feel work.
Why?
My children, they know they go school, reach to maybe 2. The other one they go finish. I go carry them for 11 o'clock. The other one they go, I go carry them 12:15. The other one they go now. The last one now they go, they carry 2 o'clock because no only that one. Then they say they come or something like. I not just understand.
Okay.
Your husband say they reach us from his training. They know they see night work.
night work. We be the finances. We started because he be tell me say na school first. You know, for Dutchland na school first. I tell am say no. As my situation take dey now. For me now, money na be my first now.
Guys, when they like TikTok will bring us down.
Like
We
when
just
your husband say they come, when your husband say they come for school.
If they come back, sometimes they will come back 5, sometimes they will come back 6. Maybe like yesterday na train litado.
You
Then
not see okay, wait now, hold on. You not go fit see work around that kind 7 or 6:30 in the evening to like 10 or 11 for night.
If they search, sir, if they search. If they know say when you start to find something, you no go say easy. If they search.
But your husband, that means you get document, your husband get document.
All of us, they give all of us documents was.
Okay.
Well, you know, it's
just like
na positive
just like
they give una. Na positive.
Now positive, now they give, but they say
So okay.
They say we no fit use and go Nigeria because we use.
I know. No, you don't need to explain.
no, that
I know what
one,
it is positive.
that one, not me.
Can we be talking one after the other? Because someone on the comment section said social worker can help you bring your kids to Germany. I don't know about that. I don't live in Germany. I don't know how
that's
true
a
is
good
that.
one. If this person live in Germany, should help her out.
The person we're talking, Bella, please. I don't know if you would like to come up. Maybe you can explain to her well how social worker fit help and bring the kids there. Because the reason make me they ask about the document and house. Now how should they bring? Had they been maybe she they work and the husband they work. I for just call the agent where help me do my son documents now. Then tell you what and what you need to bring for Europe here. Before 3 months, your children will deal with you for abroad here. But now be saying, you know they work, your husband know they work, and the house one they day in a government house. So
Now
that one
government
coming to Europe now out of it. So if someone said that social worker can help you bring the children, make she send request come on.
But
Make she come
Shanta asked her, did she declare the children? Did she declare the children?
Yes. Oh, they know. Yes, they know.
Okay.
They know.
Okay. So why not cry? Go meet Germany.
Make this person come up, make it explain to her better how they can help her bring the children to Europe. And read Diana, no worry, make she true. She don't true, you talk your own. Just give her some time. So I beg, send request, make you come explain her better. So that
Shanta, I won't do me I drop. You get question where
okay.
I say I be won't ask. For the 2 children where you get for Nigeria, now boy and girl.
No, now boy not there for Nigeria.
If I just say maybe if to say girl day now, I for so make I help you with one for inside.
Sorry. But girl, the only girl where they there.
Well, Sister Faith, why this now only girl if you help?
Because I for so make
Why?
No, I for so make she go to stay with my senior sister. Because my senior sister still get let me say I won't put on now grandson where she still they take care of and she dey Osmas. You understand me? She dey Osmas. Like my mother now, my mother don't old. You know, she's 80-something years. You know, boys' children get where they go grow rich. They're not going to listen to
Okay,
my
I
again.
understand your point. Yeah. Okay, and now I understand.
Okay,
no
now I
problem.
drop. Now
Thank you so much for your time.
down. They listening to now.
I bet me you dey power tap. I beg. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Lisa, drop me though.
Wow. So any other thing we be saying we want to do for Nigeria, that one will be off social media because come they discuss them for social media. And I don't know as it go be. I be more just talk everything here so that if she will get help from anybody, may she get help from anybody.
No.
What do you guys think?
No, there's no need. No. The moves that she has to make has to be private.
Not best. You know why I not go agree more with talking here? Because people where they around her, they are all criminals. Honestly,
Very, very, very dubious people. God,
their mind there not good. Even person we want help this lady now. I bet more na inbox and private. More na talk.
You know why I'm saying this? You see, hold on, Lisa. You know why I'm saying this? When you are on live video, it's more easier to get help than after live video because a lot of people that can help her here now. Most don't come out for this live video now. Some of them don't come out. And moreover, if anybody even to say, okay, I can help her, You they feel me so the family member how they want to
Where is
know
your
the
pencil?
place where you want carry and
It's
where you
not
want
this
carry
one.
the children
The
they go.
pencil that you buy
You don't
yesterday.
talk.
Anyway, that
Oh
one still
please,
joy.
please, if you come up mute, you understand? So it's not like they are going to know where. It's not like they are going to know where the person is taking them to. Because if anything will make us come up for this live video now, you don't go see these people again. Tomorrow now, another live video, another set of people now one day. So it is better if anybody there. Dora, don't
I
get any
mute
choice
you,
than
they
to bring you
unmute
down.
again.
I
Wetin dey
don't
happen
carry
now?
and go down. You they
You
make
now
noise.
they
I
bring
carry
you
you come
because
here.
she say she dey depressed. She get her own story. Now make me they bring her.
Because she know fit day up, I mute her, she still continue. So if you want to send your request again, please, when you send your request, just mute yourself. And if you be same then mute you, you're supposed to stay muted. Okay? Let me quick bring you down because the noise is disturb. You can resend your request again. So please, it go take better more just crash this thing out for social media. So I will know the particular person with us, okay, I can actually help, I can actually do this thing like this. Then those people now all of us go gather talk. If now for WhatsApp, then one can go discuss and finish, we'll go discuss and finish for WhatsApp. But saying that let's go and discuss it outside social media when we don't even have anybody here now that volunteer to help her. So those people where they have life now, they are not going to know where the children are going because they don't know who want help them. Even if they go check the person profile, you check the person profile, you know where the person they live. I don't know whether you feel me. So it go there better. More just solve the thing for a year now. If it happens that she is looking for a family that can help her take care of her children, or if not, they won't be saying men, she go rent house. They will look for somebody who go they live with the children for her. It's just that the only thing be say that person have to say, okay, you go need to they pay me or every month when I'll take care of your children, because any family that you're going to take the children to, definitely they are still going to ask you for money. Only be say you
money
take
when
care
I
of
that is
the children.
money when they from here they come me where they here. I no get hair when I they put for my head. I no get clothes when I they wear. I never buy clothes. See my shoe. I know they buy shoe. I know they but now all this they make sure say these children anything what they say my bring I will bet it. If I still see my children, no person safe when I no even know. He sent me this my children video.
Somebody is asking where you live in Germany. Please, the person that is asking where she live in Germany, do you want to help her? Please, if okay, somebody this guy
Where she lives in Germany is not important. It's not really important.
Okay, don't bring this girl come up. We say assistant social go fee the box you're full. Oh God.
They say they say before they go even agree me and my husband say because the marriage where we married for Nigeria that one they don't know her for here. Say that we have to marry ourselves for here. That is this signing marriage here. We have to marriage then before we call rent house. My husband go they work. They go no say yes. My husband go fit. They take care of all the bills before and now for the Denmark person say me we dey go Denmark now Denmark marriage 9 days easy. I don't know anybody for Denmark, nobody for Denmark know
Okay,
me.
you and this your husband never married. This husband who you deal with, that's all
For year, yes, we never marry but for home we don't marry for home. We never marry for here. They say may we start from to marry first because that time they call notice say we be husband and wife because not so Igbo. They call me boyfriend. They call my husband boyfriend. They say unless if we do that a registration of a marriage before they go no say yes. We be couple. Anything where we they do, they go through couple way.
Okay, I understand. So now, no, just put the thing out there. If you're on comment section or you're there among the box, but you now, if you see any family will offer to help you with this your children, are you capable to take care of the children while they are living with these people? Because this thing now, it is very, very dangerous because at the end of the day, you might even end up taking your children to another family that is even worse than where they are living before. Because everybody will want to take advantage of the situation, say man.
This one they make her 4 plates now. Even my husband self don't see tire. He say if you this place now, say if they still get problem because all the family they fight because of money, and even here where they now, husband and the wife know they talk to their self again because of the money. You know, if you put up for this one account,
somebody said, hold on. Somebody said, George can help you in Germany if you have proof like videos or pictures of your kids.
I get that.
I beg, I want who I will carry come down now so that make this girl wait or say as social go fit help her carry the children come. Is it
If na to bring them
praise?
come.
Praise, I beg, no verse. I will carry you come up again. May I for bring this girl come up, I beg. Yeah. Okay.
Na to bring them
Let
come.
me
I
look for this.
I don't fall depression. Last 5 years here, I nearly die for here. Even my brain self, you still they pay. They hurt me till today.
I beg, the girl wait or say social fit help and bring the children. Can you resend? Because I want to leave that box empty. May you resend your request. May you explain to her how she go fit take do one, because sending the children to a particular family now for Nigeria, definitely as long as they hear say the person dey abroad,
bro, not
the
so.
next thing na office. Now office then they go open for her head. They'll start to the ask of money. You know, like me now, my senior brother.
Sister Chantel, see cloth. If I go out, may you see my cloth when I won't carry from here. May you know what they talk. We go bring money, make them buy cloth. We know they see cloth. Where did they buy? Before 2 months, they go say, cloth don't spoil. See cloth where they here now.
Chantel,
Okay.
please, if you allow me
Send
to
your
say
request.
something.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go on.
Madam, actually, I don't know how it dey work for una place when they say social house. Does it mean that na asile house or na house as in house or done as social? Because over here when we dey, it no concern us whether na social. If you have something like this and you add your children to your whatever you said, and you've been granted, now wetin you suppose do immediately. Not be waiting they're supposed to call when they tell you. You have to do it immediately. And I don't know how it be for Germany. Over here, not be must say you must they work. As long as say you add them to your asylum and they don't grant you, now automatic this thing. Not just for you to meet the right authorities, tell them say CCCCO, and then they will arrange. It might be difficult in the first place, but definitely if you bring proof, you bring some fit ask you for DNA, pictures, and all those things. You feel bring them now. Something they go process. So that is why I said I don't know how it be over there for Germany. But for this side,
with the Germany, this girl where we come up now, a beauty. It's
Can
like she's in Germany.
Yeah, good afternoon. Can I explain?
Yeah. Do you live in Germany?
I was once there before I left but I can still explain everything she needs, right?
Okay, go on.
You said something, Shate. I love that thing you said earlier on, that you need to talk everything when it comes to social media. Do your final conclusion, Don't go at your box. Madam, she can bring her children from Nigeria, Shante, with the social worker. In as much your first asylum, your first this thing, you say you get children, right?
Yes,
so automatically the social know you get children. You understand me? So the thing we need to happen, the marriage you they talk, Denmark marriage is not as easy as it is before again, because I'm in Sweden, I stay close to there. You understand me? For you to do marriage for Denmark now, they've changed a lot of things. You understand me? But one thing your husband needs to do, somebody ask if your husband the work, right? Because for them to tell you, say you need to do marriage, they are right. But there's something they call living together. Even if you never do marriage, or now if you go somewhere to say, they do living together. You don't understand me, so that way, go meet the social worker. Tell the social worker everything the way you felt. They say you get children before, so they will look through your distance, through your file, look through your husband. As far your husband they do as bidon, they can still bring your children. You know me say you need to work, because as bidon look like work as war. You understand me? So because for you to go give your children to another family again, this is the fourth family, Shante. Many story will still come. Everybody want to benefit.
Yes.
I might come up today say I want to help you. I go help you. No worry. I don't know the people where they did Nigeria. First of all, you need to understand that one. Now me when I did Nigeria, I know myself. I feel say, okay, no worry, I won't take the go give my mother. I don't know my mother mind. I feel they say, no worry, I won't take the go give my sister. See, when it comes to abroad, we all now ritualists. As in I want to talk. People be say they won't exploit money from. You don't understand me, so I'm not saying anybody no help you.
A beauty, please let's just focus on the help now. What is she supposed to do?
Go to the social worker. Let me explain to you. Social media help, when it comes to children, Shante, I'm not saying people not put their hand up, but it's a bit it gets it day. You don't understand me, so because if your family member fit fuck you up, I believe say a lot of people go do the same thing. So what you go do now? Go your social worker, right?
Yeah.
Tell your social worker no say you get pikin. Not be say you don't say you not put am for your adoro. Because if you not put am for your asylum,
put for it that itself. When I told
okay, go meet them. Tell them say, okay, right now you won't bring your children. See what they grant. They will check everything. They go look at your how you take the relate with other children matters a lot too.
Yeah.
How you and your husband they relate matters a lot too. Then they will check everything. Then they'll start the process. When they start the process, as far your husband they do as-bidon, because as-bidon is like work too. When you they learn something, Shata, you know, say when you they learn something for abroad, it be like work too. Because the government they pay you little money when you they go school. So it still look like work. They say they get booster pack at end of the year. Like, okay, this is what you do end of the year. You understand me? So if on a say maybe on another day, because Adoro has different for living house. Say if on a day living house, the social will pick up from there and they will bring the children to you.
Yeah.
The most important they will do DNA test. They would be, in fact, they will start doing everything. When by as they do, and you mother, you still keep quiet. Not let the people from Nigeria know. Say the next people your social worker day. Maybe if you get one particular person, maybe now your content needs people outside your family box. When you go for they carry the children, they go for interview. Maybe they won't go see the children. You don't understand? So in less than few months, they'll bring the children. Because if you say me you go rent another house, go to another thing, madam, you go there difficult. So your social worker can help you. I've lived in Germany before, so I understand Germany. So that Denmark marriage, it ain't easy, but at the same time, a lot of things don't change. So just go to your social. Your social will bring your children for you. Even if you're not working, as far your husband they do hospital, because that hospital, Chantel, they not say the man go tomorrow he go work, definitely he go contribute for the society. You understand me? So I wish they not they do anything at all. Now for they difficult. You don't understand me? So as far the man they go school, so the government know that the man is plus to the country, you understand me? So they will bring their children because hospital is like work. So that just it. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I appreciate. Thank you. Okay, sure you understand everything what she explained now.
Yes.
Because now the same thing, like some people also talk, because this other option of you giving out your children to a particular family, make it be say that one will be our option B. But let's try and see whether we fit do the one we say, they'll fit take carry the children, come here, come meet you. Because the one when me know 100% say I'll fit do. Now if it's when they work, when get house, that one now something will be say, man, before 3 months your children will be here with you. But since when they work and they under social and you put them for your aduro say you get children. So we'll start from here now. What you need to do now be say, what you need to do now be say, you need to write me, you need to write me message now. Is either for this my account or the other on my account where they there, because my backup account did there. That one where they upload the other near me. So yes, it's either you write me. If I write me message for the two of them, so that I will store I will collect your number. Good evening. So that I will store your number. Then we'll start to the talk. You will give me feedback on the people you go meet. Wetin then tell you. Then me go see they help you. They make other inquiries. Then anytime when I did on live video. Then you still talk where you don't reach for the matter. If any other advice still be saying, they'll still give you. So let's start from somewhere. So now we'll be saying, man, I will get your contact. Now we'll they in contact, will they talk. So start from this particular place. First go meet social, tell them the situation, tell them how your 2 children they die because of this whole thing, and you won't save the other 2 when it be say it remains. So let's see what they can do. Okay. Then after the live video, I'll go check my inbox. I will collect your number. Or I'll send you my number. Then write me and I'll store your name for WhatsApp.
Good morning. I wanted to quickly say something.
I wanted to say something. I'm also in Germany. I wanted to say something before she.
Happy, wait. Make this guy where they Germany talk. Happy, wait. People where they Germany, may they bring what they know.
All right. Good evening.
Germany for come out now.
Me, you don't come out. Me did it.
Okay.
You don't come out. Me did it.
Happy life they there. Now only happy account is where the life where they there.
This is my US account. I wanted to quickly tell her something. I don't want to stay up.
Let's allow the guy to talk.
Happy say no one stay up. He's saying
Happy is not in Germany now. I'm in Germany.
She was in Germany before she moved to.
Okay, no problem.
Sister Lovely, how many children you declare for the government?
How many children when I declare for the government? I said now 2.
You declared 2. Oh God. Okay. So we see with your document, I believe you have Abshit Fabut's document. With your right? Am I right?
Yeah, now the English word on top. I know Abshit Fabut.
Abshit Fabut is Dutch. Is the name of your document.
Okay.
So I believe you have Abshit Fabut.
This woman funny.
Nah, that Dutch I speak now, madam.
Okay.
Abshit Fabut.
Okay.
Abshit Fabut means you and your children can never be deported. You and your family can never.
Yes. Now that
That's
one.
Abshit Fabut. So with your Abshit Fabut,
Yeah.
Your situation is very easy. Take this situation when you can't give us now for social media.
Yeah.
With this same energy. Shebi, you do you have a personal you get them?
You get that? No, I know. I feel
I family you get them.
We get
problem. My sister, you get them at this point is your best friend. Go to your personal you get them because every family in Germany, Chantel, have you get them.
We get to.
Depends on your postal code. So go to your you get them with this energy. Explain to them. They are going to tell you exactly where to go.
Okay.
You are going to end up in social hand.
Yeah.
And foreign office are going to be involved. Your situation is very easy. Just go to them. You have Abshit Fabut. Immediately you have Abshit Fabut, any relative close to you can be taken to Germany, whether you are working or you are not working. You are a government property, 100%. So use the advantage and bring your children overseas, my sister.
Yeah.
Wow. Social media right now, like Chantel talk. Chantel say we can only help you with the plan B, but the real original plan A. Use your Chantel. This is the problem I always have. Use your documents because that document now I had it too. That's the document I had before I left 6 months ago. You understand? Once I was it was a deputy for Nigeria. Now one hand immediately you get that document like that lady said. Your children supposed to be the next thing before put in line because you'd already declared them. You understand? You declare them already. Tell them you have 4 children because the reason why make you declare 2 now because it's too late. If you have all their pictures, you show it to them. Look at how what happened to them. Look at it. Look at my ex. I don't know what to do. You don't even need plenty story. All they need is DNA and your situation is cleared.
Yeah.
Go to your personal you get my sister. Take the same energy and go to them.
Okay.
Thank you for the gift. I bet me not the power tap. You
have a good day. Chantel, I'm in the comment section.
Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much, Happy.
Thank you very much.
See why social media they very, very good and they help. Sharing your story, it is very, very easy for you to get help. So even though maybe now only this thing I feel achieved for today's live video, I am okay. And that is the main reason why I'm here on TikTok to see how I feel add 1 or 2 to most especially women and children because of waiting a lot of people they go through. Guys, I beg, when I meet my life goal, the first one, it don't expire. The life goal was not complete. At least this one I make una complete and I beg. The men and the power tap. Okay, our brother say get one other thing we want to tell you. So after I don't tell you, I'll bring you down so that you get one other for her sister. She don't come on that she don't tire. Don't tell you where she did here since.
Yeah,
she said she get her own story where she want. She said she get her own story where she want share. Be like say she don't tire, like she come on. Then this other for her sister, we thought say she gets depression. You go talk your own after she don't go. At least I thank you for the gift. God bless you. I appreciate. So our sister we thought say you did depressed. Just give us 1 second, one finish with this woman own now. Then this other girl will be say she get what she wants, she will come out. I know say you don't tire. You feel send your request again. You understand? We just do everything fast. Okay, bros, I beg. Quick tell her what you want to tell her.
Yeah, what I want to tell her this similar with
that. Why you give finish me? Thank you for the perfume.
What I want to tell her this similar with what that just tell them just now. I beg, Auntie, I beg, you know the paragraph where they use the paragraph of your document.
Hell, wait, so
they get paragraph. They get paragraph 25B or paragraph 25A. They get paragraph 104C and different paragraph.
My bring her out so that I go they look and they.
Check. I know they are. They boldly written. They write them for your document here.
Okay. Achoba na fianya. Let me find no more.
Oh, wow.
And secondly, I beg, since you get your document, you don't use and work. You don't work before for Germany.
No, I never work.
Which house? Now government house you dey or you dey pay your own house rent?
No, now then they pay for us. Now job center,
Okay.
Bros, if you say you not follow, you want to take us back. This question has been asked. Okay.
You get where they are
You not pay
something.
talk all of them.
Now paragraph 25.
Now you are taking us back.
No, auntie, sorry. The reason why I asked is say I wish she dey work with her document. She go for even do all those things herself without.
I get children. I get baby. I never they work.
Yeah. Okay.
Not best. Let's not confuse this issue. Someone just came up now. Explain to her what to do. You want to say, I wish they work. She'll call it think no, the one. She need to stick with one advice.
Auntie, wait, make her land now.
No, hold on. No, we don't want
wait, make her land.
I'm not quarreling, bros. Happy just came up, can't tell and say, this is what you need to do, what you need to do.
Auntie, you can allow me land, make I tell you why I even asked that question. The reason why I asked that question is say she go for fit do all those things herself without going to you get or going to the government. I wish she get her own apartment and she dey work. She go for fit do all those things herself. That's the reason why I asked. But since she didn't meet up to all these inquiries, our next step is also to go to Jungesam, what that auntie just said just now before I came up. You understand? So she need to go meet the youngest and explain to them just exactly what that auntie talk just now. But I would say she her document, she dey use and work and she get her own apartment. She go for fit do all those things herself without going to youngest. Now what I mean be that. Chantel, thank you. I'll go down.
Okay, now thank you so much.
Quickly say
God bless you.
something.
Thank you.
Sorry,
Before you say something, make this girl your quick talk at home so that make she for get advice which she won't get, then we could continue. Because this our sister Dora, please unmute. You said you are going through depression or something, I don't know. Unmute, we can hear you. So might bring you down. And lovely, just like I said, write me for DM me, I will send you my number. See, ciao Lucy. DM me, make I send you my number so that I for bring other people up. Okay, we'll take them off from that place. Just do exactly as Happy said. Okay.
Okay.
So if you write me, then we'll continue to talk from that place.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Is it Dora? Dora, please go on with the
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. So I want to share what I'm passing through. So my business now, it did 4 years. Before they sell clothes, boutique, girls clothes and all these ladies clothes. So Amroback don't break my shop 2 times, 2 good times. So because of that issue now, I dey into debt. So I need help. To start over again. I need help. Because of that one, I know they feel sleep. I just dey get depression day and night. I know they feel sleep. So as I just check the platform now hating go still help me. That is why I wait since. I beg, I need help.
Okay, my question for you. How many kids you get? No verse. Hello? Are you there? Still want help now. How many children you get? No verse. Dora.
She dey hear you very well. And open your camera. May we see you.
I bet may we listen to other people. This guy don't they discuss since they write, they like we really need our advice. Want to talk to him, need us. Only for her to come up saying our shop be the problem. And you get husband. All the depression, you see they knack, join her. I don't understand. We they talk something when serious. That's all now they
very important. Yeah.
Just come here when they talk of shop. If we they talk to elevate or maybe another thing, fine. You go wait. You supposed to be last person wey go talk for here. You come one disorganized poor person wey need when human being life they at risk for here. They tell me boutique. Wetin concern me and your boutique? You not get husband. No whether na your ex-boyfriend go dey break your boutique because you carry pikin follow another man.
Lisa, this is your mouth. You never still change. Anyway, so, make a quick talk Wetin I wan talk concerning that lady. I see just now say that they ask if you dey hear me. I see just now say that they ask you some questions, very basic normal questions that you could not reply aptly. I have this advice for you, madam. Go and upgrade yourself. It is never too late to learn something. Always keep your mind and your brain busy. It's never too late. Upgrade yourself. Learn something. Go school. Go to learn. Because and also integrate. Learn the language. You cannot be in a country for that long. Say they don't give you documents and you don't know some basic things. It is very essential. It is very essential. So please, madam, even your paragraph just now, when people say they don't give you, don't hold for hand for how long. Then they ask you, you have to go and look for it. And also, happiness ask you something concerning Deutsch just now. You could not say it. No. You not gel at all. You not for put. You know, all these things join with it, they make all these people, as in they attract the the wrongest of people in the society. So please upgrade yourself. Try and it's not about work. When I mean upgrading yourself, try to acquire knowledge. Know about where you dey, about the people. Learn the language, at least to some extent that you can use to communicate on a daily. That is my submission. Thank you.
Thank you, Meme. You see, we don't want to rush into her. We don't want to judge her part. We don't want, because normally, as she enter abroad, just sit down, start with the bone. You don't even learn from your past, where you get 4 kids for house. Just start with the bone. Now you don't get 3 children. Not be say we dey judge you, but sometimes we need to sit tell una, we una for the F. You get 4 for us. People like you, as you enter this abroad, you know, if man say hi, you just carry another person leg, join your leg, you run. You are supposed to focus with your husband stress where you go to use and shop aduro. And I believe say now you take sick asylum where they take give you so. Because they suppose no country will not answer you for that behavior. They suppose answer you. As they answer you, then how you want to carry the pikin. Now the exposure where they talk now be that one. So they say travel is part of education, but some of now don't see they learn. Then you go rush. If to say you do all those things on time, you know, those children where he come out, therefore not come out.
Exactly.
You because the day with your papa, you just come here, you just sit down. Maybe you never even reach how many years now where you stay for year. According to you, stay for 1 year now you enter abroad. I don't know. I 1 year you get 3 children. Now because the children part, all of us can't forget to ask you some kind thing for the beginning where you start. Whether that make me say using a pidgin because your first English you wara everybody head. All of us confused. We don't know where they go, anywhere for the come. Now I beg you for pidgin. 10 years for abroad. Since 10 years, imagine how old were your last pikin where you come on 1 year old. Now is 11. You understand? We know they quarrel you, they tell you make an error too. Children are blessing, fine, but some of now now they use brain for the children are blessing. You know me say pikin food, your egg they fertilize, how they talk you are fertile. May you they use that anyhow. Thank God for the man we can't get for abroad because be like that man a good person. That's why he born Tiri for there, he still there. And the man still they struggle with you. They find solution for the ones where they has. God go bless that your husband. He's a good man. One of the good men. What would you talk about? Now be that.
Yeah.
So I happy say God not give you another egbe way like the former one where you get. By now you for don't get 1 or 2 or 2 papa or another single mother. And you are still sitting there according to you telling us say you not go where you want to go. Your fear now may your husband not tire. May your husband not leave you for this matter. That be your fear. That be your fear. Women, more not they marry men because of what you will gain. More not they do am. You born 4 children for abroad. For Naija, you reach abroad, they think of Ebola. Who does that? Yes, I know say now what you they do, they fear, may not leave you. I see am the way they talk now. You talk am many times, you don't know where to go, you know what your husband can't. I see am, Rose. I hear you. You understand? Go and work. Find skills.
It might even happen that she wasn't looking for Bola. Maybe she was looking for someone to help her. You understand?
No, he wasn't looking for Bola. Now he born the shatter. Forget that thing. If person they find shelter, person way wise, he don't know what to do. Wait, be say 4 children theirs. He get the matter be, get the father be. Not be say they tell you say what you born those children a bad thing. No. But we need to see clear. You say you error. You fail those your children. You fail them. You join the reason why they quick come out for this planet. They know they behave like that. So that other people where they your situation not go do the same thing. They not do the same thing. Now they complain past now because of children. Now they suffer for husbands. Now you suffer finish. Now wait till you gain the children go back. It not clear now. It not clear. For real. That man where they there, you are sending money on a no person where get sense no answer that man. Say you open business, you do everything, said the thing, carry them go. You see, expect you to bring more, you were still giving. No. But in all, now your husband will go thank. Now your husband, because your low this thing, if now Osunde man you deal with my brother, my sister. You for suffer past the one way suffer for Naija. God will bless that your husband anywhere where he dey. And if you like, after your children don't come, you don't follow the process where they say maybe you follow, maybe Chantal don't help you, they remind, because when you talk now, if you not remember tomorrow. It don't help you, your children don't finally dey okay, that they come abroad, they don't dey better place. You can't say this man now, he not can be man, Igbola not can long, he not can rich. Or you don't they work on your own, you don't they see small change, or you want drive van. May only you get house, may only you they collect the 3 children money for government. My sister, the next boyfriend when you want get, go remove your eyes. Because it's not easy. If they see this kind of men, 3 for each country, or more they say 3 for each area where person they stay for this abroad, we not talk say men will get problem. So if you like, use and play once everything done dey okay. That time you can't get sense. That time you can't dey rub shoulder, you can't dey tell and say, no, na my children. That time the love where the man expect you to give her, you know, give her, you can't pack and give the same children. You pack and give the same children. Some of you now join why men not they love them because now they show love, affection, better affection give the men. The men feel lonely. The husband good though, Rose, you know what they tell you now, because I just dey imagine say now abroad this man dey where just dey with this woman with all this thing, with the way you just say they talk things. And you don't dey fear. Probably the man don't they tell you say like this, you now your problem for that ass now, my children for Naija, my children. Imagine from your husband, I see the same money give Osunde wey dey Nigeria. Come open shop for her, the man still dey with you, my sister. God will bless that man and try and do the right thing where they say may you do. May the children take on here. Follow up. Ask is better than you not ask. Go there, follow up, tell them. Now 4 you get. See what if you get the 4 picture, give them. Then the remaining 2, give them. All the stress when you pass through, they take they follow hand to hand, give them. Tell them you are scared. You don't want to lose these 2 again. They go answer you. Just as Meme talk, if na decide where we still there for this side, once you put their name there, as they give you paper, as they close your file, they open your children home. Sometimes as they give you, they give the same children. As they process you, they process the children together. Now so Canada they do. As they process your own document for a year, they process your children own join. Sometimes say your children will come out before your own. They don't grant you now, but your children will even reach here before your own card go reach your neighbors. It they be like that. You understand? So I am happy you were able to come here today to find solution to what has been eating you up. And I pray you get the result positively. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you. I bet if another person dey we want come tell us a story, or you dey find advice, or you want me others learn from your past, feel free and come here to talk to us. That's why we are here on this platform. No insults, no quarrel. If you misunderstand person, just let her know say you misunderstand her, and so it reach. I beg. We are learning. Thank you. I mute if another person want talk. Chantal, are you still here? You don't come out.
No, I dey here. I dey with my other phone. Maybe they moderate. Just bring other people come up.
So, madam, go and do the needful. Knowledge is very important. When I see women like me, we're supposed to get something upstairs, then they slack. They make me they feel, one kind. They ask you something, you're supposed to they talk and champ as they ask you, okay. Because you don't acquire them, you don't know them. These are basic things that you should know. You get, so please go and acquire knowledge. Very important. Yeah, I beg, go acquire knowledge, go school, learn Deutsch, learn it.
Sister, will talk to me before. I thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Sister Lovely, you get something when I want to make you know, Shao.
Thank you.
This is what I want to tell you soon. And Sister Lisa, Biko, permit me, I beg, not this. Permit me first. Sister Lisa. Okay. See, first of all, before I say what I want to talk, you see that guy when he come up, If I say that guy don't know what to do for Germany. When somebody tell you say he get Akshit Fabu documents, why they ask him the paragraph when he gets? You, if you know what you do for Germany, you're not supposed to say Akshit Fabu, they only get one paragraph. Anyway, let's move forward. Sister Lovely, see.
Yeah.
How old be your last speaker?
For here or for Nigeria?
For here, for Germany.
Now this November, he completed 2 years.
You're picking at 2 years. See, make I tell you something, my sister. You see that shit Fabu documents when you get it go clear for your eye when they will come out for your hand. Your eye will clear.